shit. I don't know if we have camo dudes, but there is what looks like a black vehicle coming this way, so I'll get the camera out just in case anything happens. And there you see the camo dudes up there on the hill. What in the world is this kid doing? Oh, look, there's the camo dudes. They're probably watching my every move. Well, hopefully they don't shoot me or take me to jail. You can totally see where other people have been out here. Whoa. So I'm not shitting you. I took my eyes off the road for like 1 second and I almost blew right past the sign. So we're here and I saw the camo dudes up on the hill, so we're gonna get out and take a look. Hey, what is up everybody? Today we are gonna go to the front entrance of Area 51. I've never been to this entrance before, and this is supposedly the entrance where they have the camo dudes parked up on the hill in their bougie Ford Raptors, and they're probably gonna be watching our every move. I am a little nervous because last time I came out to Area 51, the camo dudes actually yelled at me. If you wanna see that video, I'll put the card up here. I'll also put the screen for that at the end of this video as well, so you can watch it afterwards. But we're almost there, and we're gonna go up to the gate and see what happens. Okay, so I figured before I get to the gate, I would kind of work out my alibi. If they question me and wanna know what I'm doing out there, I'm just gonna say I'm returning someone back to their home. Ain't that right, Paul? I don't know how well you guys can see it, but supposedly that road over there, that is Groom Lake Road, the one that will take us to the front gate of Area 51. I bet the camo dudes won't be out there. It's probably way too cold for them. They're probably like sitting in their nice little security office, sipping cocoa and watching reruns of Matlock. I don't know. Oh shoot, that was our turn. So I'm not gonna lie, I am a little nervous because last time I came out to Area 51, the camo dudes yelled at me. I was gonna mouth off, but I was like, you know what? I'm just not gonna do that because I don't wanna put myself in a position that's gonna get me arrested or thrown in alien prison. So that's why I didn't. So we're gonna head down this long, lonely road here and see what happens. Holy shit. I don't know if we have camo dudes, but there is what looks like a black vehicle coming this way, so I'll get the camera out just in case anything happens. I wonder who this is. Maybe they just ordered Domino's or takeout from the little alien. I'm gonna wave. I'll give them the Minnesota wave. Oh, it's probably just tourists. Okay, that was definitely not a camo dude. Paul, stay in the car. So a while ago, I came across this video on YouTube that talked about secret underground tunnels out here. And I thought it was kind of all just, you know, hearsay and just rumors and whatnot, like clickbait. But I found this on the way out to the gate. Take a look. I don't exactly know what this is. I think I've seen this on the internet somewhere before. Looks like, you know, thugs and gangsters got to it. But it looks like, is there a lock underneath here? Oh, there is a lock. I don't know how you can see that. But it looks like they definitely don't want people going in there. What if that is just another way to get out of the base? Paul, is that how you got out here? What are you, camera shy, or are you just scared they're gonna take it back? So I definitely don't know what this is, but if you guys do, let me know in the comment section down below. And even if you don't know, just tell me what you think it might be. I think it's just another alternative escape route from Area 51. Who knows? All right, so it's starting to get a little more real. We're getting closer to the smaller mountains and the hills, which is where they have like a bunch of antennas and cameras up on top of them. And then we're gonna keep our eyes out for the camo dudes because they should be propped up on a hill somewhere. So, ooh, any minute now. So I'm not shitting you. I took my eyes off the road for like 1 second and I almost blew right past the sign. So we're here and I saw the camo dudes up on the hill, so we're gonna get out and take a look. And hopefully we don't get shot or sent to like alien prison or something, because that would be bad. There's the sign. And then, I don't know how well you can see it, but this entire area is pretty cool. I want to say that sign was like further back, because this does not look like the main area where people usually go up to and take a look. There's the camo dudes up there on the hill. I don't know how well you can see them, but they are up there. Hi! You can definitely hear all sorts of sounds out here. I know you probably can't see it, but there's definitely like aircraft in the background here. So we're gonna go check out this sign here and see what it says. And hopefully the camo dudes don't get like too suspicious and decide to pull up on us. So this one says, warning, If you are considered trespassing on the Nevada Test and Training Range boundary, please consider the following consequences. You will be required to pay $1,000 fine. That's a little steep for my wallet. You will have your car towed at your expense. You will have your car impounded at your expense. You will be brought to Hico, Nevada to be processed. I don't know where that is. Once released, you will be responsible for transportation to your next desired travel location. So obviously we don't want to do that. Okay, so it's been made known that Paul is here and we're at the gate. So all he wants is to go back home to his family, to ET and his brothers and his sisters and whatnot, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. I honestly just wonder what they're thinking up there. They're probably either laughing, making fun of me, or they're probably eating donuts or something. Okay, so there's not really a whole lot of action going on out here, so I think we're gonna go to the back gate of Area 51, and they can probably hear me talking, and they probably are already radioing to them that some weird nerdy kid with an alien doll and a camel sweatshirt is coming out there. Well, thanks for the heads up. But that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna go out there and just see if we can't, find any sort of movement out there. But we're gonna peace out. We're gonna wave bye to the camo dudes and then take off. Bye, camo dudes. Thanks for having us. All right, so we just made the turn off for the back gate to Area 51, the one I went to last time. Like I said, we're gonna go out here and see if the camo dudes aren't a little more festive. If they mouth off this time, I got a few insults ready to fire back at them. Or will I? I don't know, because I don't want them arresting me, because I have to work on Saturday. Well, what do we have here? Let's get out and take a look. I am telling you, Nevada during the wintertime is amazing. There's snow on all the mountains. It just looks like a real life winter wonderland out here. But let's check out this car. Well, all right, it was a truck for sure. We can see the truck bed back here. I bet this was a Chevy. No, it was a Ford. Because it's found on the roadside dead. Cool. I bet they used tannerite. Just another little fun thing to see on the way out to the back gate of Area 51. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear like just from like the jets wherever they are up in the sky. All right, we are back. Here's the back gate of Area 51. I'm gonna go up there and then turn around. Someone once told me if you come out here to visit, turn your car around. That way it's not facing them. Just that way you don't come off as a big threat. All right, we're gonna walk up to the gate and see if we can't get the camo dudes to talk without getting arrested. The plan is always to not get arrested. Is anybody home? No drones, what? I really wanted to find my drone here. You can totally see where other people have been out here. Whoa, hi. That scared me a little bit. Whew. Do the horn again, come on, do the horn. I know you can hear me. All the barbed wire is still there, the warning signs here. Trail cam, hi, peace. There's a lot of stuff back there. More barricades. They're probably like looking at me. Hi. Cameras, sensors. I've seen videos on YouTube where the lights come on at night, but I've never personally witnessed them. Oh, Jesus, man. Fuck. I know they're doing that on purpose. They're probably just laughing and they're eating donuts, watching Dexter, drinking coffee. So it's open, so I'm assuming that means we can come in. That horn's gonna go off any second now. I know it. Jesus Christ. You didn't fool me that time. I know your tricks. Although that does sound like a dollar store horn. With the budget that the government gives you, you think you could get like a better horn that sounds more intimidating. All right, Area 51 and government officials and camo dudes and extraterrestrials that might be seeing this through a video camera, thank you for having us. We're gonna go to the little alien and get an alien burger, probably a beer because I'm thirsty, so we'll see you next time. Peace.